Lakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Okay, now we are going to discuss about libraries in Python. So what do you mean by a library? Yes, what is a library? Do you have library in your college?
Yes, ma'am.
So what you will have in your college library? Your subject books and magazines in your library. So what is a library? Collection of books. So how will you connect this to your Python library? So library is nothing but collection of some modules which will be stored as a library files. So when you want to use those libraries, you can import it and you can use it. And in the case of libraries in Python, we have got two types of libraries. One is internal library and other one is external library. So what do you mean by internal? Which you have inside your college is internal. Which you have in outside of your campus, you will call it as external. So when you are installing, you will be getting some of the libraries which you will call it as internal library in Python. And what is external library? After installing, using pip, you will be installing some of the libraries which you will call it as external library. So this concept using the program will be explained by Latika. Thank you.
In Python, the library is defined as the reusable code for a specific task. Now, in Python we have two different types of libraries. One is internal and one is external. Internal libraries is defined as which is already predefined in a Python, where the internal functionalities are date and time, networking, data structure and so on. The first program which we are going to see about the numbers, where number is equal to 12 and print dir and number. Now we printed a dir where it shows the attributes of addition, class and class items.
Sure.
Now I am going to explain the next program which shows the list of an internal program. dir you type this, and number 1 is which contains 1, 2 and 3, and print dir and number 1. Number 2 there is no element, and print dir number 2. And the list and second list are shown as add class and class items. And now I am going to explain about external libraries, where the external libraries we should install after the Python. And dir is the set of number which consists of 12, 15, 18 and 21. Print dir and these numbers, and number 1 is we should print, and print dir number 1. The numbers are 8 and 3, where we should find out the quotient and the remainder of the external, where dir modulus result is equal to dir modulus 8 and 3. We should print quotient and the remainder, and it gives the result. And where the 8 and 3, we should find out the remainder and the quotient. The quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be the here. And once again we can recall about the internal and external libraries, where internal is already pre-installed in Python language, where in first program of internal libraries are numbers. It shows the numbers is equal to 12. Now first internal libraries, where it defines the numbers. Their outputs are, it shows the attributes like addition, class and class getting type. Second program shows the list of internal library, where the lists are addition, class get type item. And the external, where it shows the arithmetic operators such as quotient of division and remainder as modulus. And the outputs are 2 and 3.
I think you all have enjoyed and understood what is libraries in Python, and Latika has explained you the internal and external libraries. So now you all have got an idea. Internal library is nothing but what you will be getting it while you are installing, and what is external library, you will be installing it after installation using pip. Okay, thank you.